ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke Shillong College kuwi ni gislam Pule ke beremha hapo ke Sar Shillong ha kapo atrek unai tung araja phosao klapen long ike jinga thirnya halo ke Jingpyndonkam ike Swayam ke bedai ke online portal junga sarkar India ke ba Jingpyndonkam shapang ke Pule puthi na ke bentai ke Samla Pule hai ke school ba bari college na do bela Pynmyntoi ike National Education Policy araja pho ke Jingpyndonkam ike ni ke jinga thirnya ke long ru kum shibenta ke jinga rakhe ike jinga lenti ke belan dru post nam ha ke jinga jinga kai ha ke subject science ha ke ni ke college ha ke ni ke sngi la sa khilang do menteri bakhmi ike tana Pule puthi ke sarkar jilla urakam e sangma ke principal junga Shillong College ke Dr. E Kharkongor ke no hikai junga college bagi Samla Pule.
So you have listened to the three academicians' presentation already. So I feel rather than a politician, I'm an academician. I'm very much part of the academics family because I came from a very, very academic. And all my family members are full of teachers of different categories. In Government Meghalaya, we have different about 10 to 12 different categories of teaching. And to which about half of all this category belongs and there's in my family. And my father is a small government primary teacher who is retired now and very well experienced in teaching mathematics. Having grown up, my first school that I have joined is my father's school. My father is good in mathematics teaching and I learned knowledge. But when he talks about science here, I will celebrate knowledge of the Shillong College of teaching science in the last 60 years. It comes to my mind that I've been joining many schools. We have studied in a mixed community, different parts of the country, because I did my study in Jawaharlal Vidyalaya from class 6 to class 12. And we have experienced the different dynamics, the culture, and the behavior of different communities. During our classes, we have two, three friends who always talk in the classes. And I'm not. But during the classwork, during my school times, we took 2-3 of us to always ask the question. These are science and in the mathematics. And sometimes our teachers get angry with us. We will ask question again and again. But we three of us will all talk in the classroom when it comes to the classwork, but not in the never-ending exam. Because we listen much. Our friends always do better. I think this mindset, this gap, we have to minimize. Now this National Education Policy, Minister of Education, Government of India, has designed this policy, these courses, in considering the global perspective. Understanding the challenge across the globe, across the community, across the universe. To meet the challenges that crisis is being faced across the world, the new education policy Government of India, Minister of Education has formulated. To meet the challenges, to fit the challenges that is coming. And my dear friends, because of development of science and technology, the digital developments, today how we are here at this position. With the governance, with the institutions, because the contribution of the scientists of yesterday were here at this stage today. But mark my words that the development of science and technology will never reach an equilibrium stage. We have seen the development of science and technology in the last 5 years, 10 years. It's so amazing. The technology has made the universe smaller. What is being seen today will be completely history tomorrow. And we are going to see the complete new chapter of science and technology tomorrow. Then therefore, the present faculty members, our research scholar, our professor, our teachers, educating you today to see, to face a complete different chapter, a different dynamics, a different world tomorrow altogether.